Hello, class. Today we are going to be studying the Greek battle of It's boring listening to her.
Angelica.
Family's just one hell of a headache. We're supposed to keep you alive as long as possible. But for now, some punishment is in order. Un castigo!
Get your hands off me, you creep!
Danny's not here to save you. You're gonna do as I wish. Leave her alone, you piece of shit. I'm so sorry, Kate.
I'm sorry too. We were doing this for Danny.
I know. I hope you feel trust. Wonder where Jatana and Danny are.
I don't know. I wonder if they snuck out the tunnel. If they did, they're on the US side now. They could be anywhere. We'll keep a good lookout on them, boss.
Yeah, we'll take a good look around, boss.
We're gonna kill your son, Danny Antonio.
Desde el momento en que te vi yo he sido preso. Mi corazón no ha vuelto a ver la luz del día. Yo me perdí en tu mirada tan profunda. Y hoy soy preso de tus ojos, vida mía. Desde entonces yo he tratado de olvidarte, pero sigo sentenciado a recordar. Yo que diera para ya no extrañarte y poder de esta cárcel escapar. Preso de tus ojos sigo siendo, con cadenas enredando el corazón. Y aunque tus ojos son mi más grande tesoro, tu recuerdo sigue siendo mi prisión.
Good morning, Imperial Valley. This is Jose Renteria, and you're listening to KCXQ, the Valley's #1 radio station. Here is your daily morning news update. We have clear skies and sunny weather. It's a great time for farmers to grow their crops. In national news, many people are hoping for peace in Ukraine. It's a scary time, folks, but let's hope our leaders can be strong and let peace be the goal against this aggression. In local news, we still have reports of COVID, but the good news is some of our local doctors have been using not just the vaccines, but effective remedies like hydroxychloroquine. Lives are being saved now thanks to the vaccines and to drugs like this, a drug that has been around for over 50 years. In other news, the water meeting is getting closer and closer in the next few months. Let's hope the Man From Jalisco can stop the suspicious farming company from gobbling up all our water rights. It is a mystery, folks, and it needs to be solved. I hope the Man From Jalisco gets a whole lot of proof to expose these people. Anyway, hope you enjoy the car show and festivities at the plaza during the 100-year centennial anniversary of our valley. It's been 100 years, folks, since the pioneers and immigrants came here and turned this desert into a beautiful garden. Now, let's listen to some music and let's celebrate life, for it only happens once. This is your host, Jose Renteria, with the KCXQ Morning Update. Let's keep rockin'.
El rapero del oeste llegó para quedarse desde el 1690 Adams la calle. Nadie me abrió puertas, al contrario, quisieron cerrar el camino por todos lados. Traigo la llave maestra, la que te muestra. Ni me conoces, pues qué tanto te arde. Dinero no tengo, fama tampoco. No fumo ni tomo, tampoco me aloco. Si tú me conocieras, supieras y dijeras: el homie Pesadillas es un vato bien de aquellas. Pero la neta, yo ya no les doy gusto. Hágase pa' allá, cabrón, no neta que lo escupo. Todos son putos, el celo les lavó el cerebro. Los homies de mi barrio son mis únicos amigos. Bla bla bla, son buenos para hablar. Ja ja ja, no son buenos para nada. Lo que tú odias es lo que tú deseas ser. Me miras en secreto y me juras aborrecer. Bla bla bla, son buenos para hablar. Ja ja ja, no son buenos para nada. Lo que tú odias es lo que tú deseas ser. Me miras en secreto y me juras aborrecer.
Can't beat this.
Oh yeah.
Bla bla bla, son buenos para hablar. Ja ja ja, no son buenos para nada. Lo que tú odias es lo que tú deseas ser. Me miras en secreto y me juras aborrecer. Bla bla bla, son buenos para hablar. Ja ja.
He wants to speak to you before he gives you the names. We'll meet with him tomorrow if you got time.
Yes, I can. We need to keep trying. And we need somebody to speak for the farmers.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the centennial celebration of Imperial Valley. I'm Howard Sears, District Director for All American Water. I'd like to say a few words, but first, let's all observe a moment of silence to honor our departed Director, Mr. Dennis Anderson. Thank you. Dennis was truly a great public servant and will surely be missed. Now, I know none of you want there to be a water transfer. However, the cities on the coast do not care. They are prepared to sue the district and take the water, whatever it may cost. Not only that, our senators and our congresspeople tell us if we don't agree to transfer water over to the coast, that they are going to stop us from using that water here. So in the end, I'm sorry, there's going to have to be a water transfer. Look, I know it's hard. These are extremely difficult times, especially with COVID. While we might have to send a little more water over to the cities, that doesn't mean we can't take a little more from them in exchange. Therefore, I propose in the transfer agreement that the coastal cities will annually pay an extra sum of money that will go directly into funds that will improve our schools, expand our youth programs, and allow for people like you to start your own business right here in our valley. You people deserve the most, and I intend to give you the most. Thank you.
Son buenos para hablar, ja ja ja, no son buenos para nada. Lo que tú odias es lo que tú deseas ser. Me miras en secreto y me juras aborrecer. Bla bla bla, son buenos para hablar, ja ja ja, no son buenos para nada. Lo que tú odias es lo que tú deseas ser. Me miras en secreto y me juras aborrecer. Hablan hasta por los pinches codos. Y a la hora de sacar la feria son unos pinches codos. Presumen lo que no tienen y dónde vienen. Yo anduve en bicicleta sin dinero y que tienen. Ningún hijo de su puta madre me pagó los biles. Pero como les hierve la pepa para el chisme. Mi business es privado, que si tengo hijos soy casado. ¿Qué les importa que se les perdió por este lado? La neta, no me importan las redes. Hacen mamada y media por los likes, muertos de hambre. Fui criado en los 90, soy de la vieja escuela y ahora sé de la razón.
Jennifer.
Russ, how are you?
I'm good. How's Vincencio's gardening company working out?
It's good, but there's a problem.
There's a van that parks outside now. It looks really suspicious because it's always there.
Son of a bitch.
I know, it scares me that they can do these things.
It's like they're everywhere. We're gonna have to
Be extra careful.
Well, you know, Vincencio, he's wrote another letter, and we need to get it printed before the day of the water meeting. That's coming up soon.
Text me the letter.
No.
Do it.
No, they'll kill you.
We need the people to know everything can be lost if we don't.
We'll find a way. I'm not gonna text it to you, but we'll find a way.
Hold on. I've gotta go. The van's back.
Zendeja's True Value Hardware store is located in Calipatria, California on 118 Main Street. Whether you're a pro or taking on a do-it-yourself home improvement project for the first time, Zendeja's True Value is ready with their expert advice, tools, equipment, and the products you need to get the job done. Zendeja's True Value Hardware in Calipatria, California are ready to help. Come in and see them today.
Hey, Mike Morris here from El Centro Motors. You sitting at home, kicking back, watching the game, just keep watching the game. Call us. We now have mobile service. We will come out to you and do your service while you're home watching the game. Oil changes, you name it, we will come out and do it at your home with our mobile service. Got one of those pesky recall letters in the mail? Call us. We'll schedule you an appointment and we'll come out and do it at your house. It's that simple and it's that easy at El Centro Motors.
I need some names. I took this picture while these guys were walking out of the Cal Farms building. Now, who's this guy?
That's Carl Davis. I've seen a couple of fields he was following. What I heard is that he moved to La Jolla.
Okay, well, I know this is Walter Boone.
Walter Boone?
This guy?
That's the man in the green shirt.
Green shirt and blonde hair.
Bailey.
Josh Bailey. All right. Don't worry, Vincencio. We're gonna get these guys.
I have to.
There are many legends about how the art of Tai Chi started. The one I like to believe is that it was born in Tibet, in the highest planes of the human spirit, and that it was, and is, a system of healing. By moving water through all the channels of internal energy, to share it with all the corners of our internal matter, changing it into projections of light, going beyond the walls of the self to feel the movements of the cosmic consciousness of the little self as part of all, and in doing so, awakening the chi, the life, governed by the soul in perfect harmony within and without. It was developed in peace, as a form of meditation with movement, designed to grow the vital energy to be connected to the spirit, to charge the human battery in order to advance into higher realms of consciousness, into the divine. That harmonious blend of physicality with spirituality is meant to give a sense of mental clarity and longevity, and with practice can attune your sixth sense into omnipresence. Eventually, Tai Chi became a martial art of self-defense, though still peaceful, in order to prepare practitioners for situations of aggression. One of the main principles it teaches is to defeat your opponent without ever starting a fight, by remaining calm, saying the right things, and wishing the best to your opponent, even if you're being attacked in that very moment. Any bit of practice serves to be on the right track and to remove bad habits that are destructive to our higher self, which was made to be in service of all.
Up on the donkey and beat the shit out of me for more.
Sounds good.
I gotta get you.
shit.
This ain't good.
Where do you think he went?
Let's check if he went upstairs and headed out the back.
Hey, Rick.
Yeah, boss, I think we lost him.
What do you mean you lost him?
I think he went to the tunnel.
I'll be on the US side already.
Oh! Everybody!
Angelica.
If you need to buy or rent a tractor or need tractor parts, stop by Jordan Central Implement. Since 1955, their sole purpose is to render the highest standard of service to their customers. They recognize that people are their greatest asset and believe that honesty, integrity, and a safe work environment based on teamwork and professionalism are the keys to success.
Hi, I'm James Cook.
Hi, you're the gaffer, son. Follow me. I'll show you to your quarters.
Water, Tommy Cobble shoes, Adam Buckham Ganzaboo gathering bits of news, and it's Adam Buckham, Adam Buckham, Adam Buckham.
Where did you get the coin? I was whaling in the South Sea. Beautiful place. Flowers everywhere. It was nice.
Mr. Sanderson took James to Whitby. They boarded a ship. Now he was going to go to far and distant places.
Hello Imperial Valley, it's Holly here from the Quick Lane at the mall. Let's beat the summer heat together. With our new promotion on the AC service, priced only at $159.99. We have 3 locations ready to serve you here at the mall, El Centro Motors, and in Brawley, with Brawley also offering our off-road and collision center. If you can't make it to us, we'll come to you with our mobile service vans. So let's beat the summer heat together. And remember, if you don't come see us first, we can't save you any money. It's just that easy.